Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen. Now you can see the bag, so you know what this is. This is a January shopping trip. Can't call it a haul because there's not enough. But we've just been to Tesco's and we haven't been to Tesco's since way before Christmas. I went there for something in particular and they didn't have it. What an annoyance, but never mind, I got what I could. Anyway, so let's start with, no, that's not from Tesco's, that's glucose monitor. Pick up the Tesco magazine. Always like to look through these magazines, not because I'm going to buy anything, but they have some interesting recipes like cowboy beans and sausage tray bake. Well, I make something like that anyway, but you know, and then I saw a soup. I see a soup. Oh, curried parsnip and carrot soup. So there's a few recipes in there that that you might like to have a look at. Lemon and blue. No, they're not lemon and blue. These are pear and chocolate brownies. Now, I know a man who'd like those, don't I? Pear and chocolate brownies. So, you know, they have little articles in there and some interesting recipes. So that's why I tried to pick up a magazine. Right, what do we buy? It's winter. In case you weren't aware, it's winter. So, some liver. And what's all this? Pork liver. Can't they call it pig's liver anymore? It's pig's liver. Yes, pig meat is pork, but it's pig's liver. Okay, and that will do us 2 meals with onions and bacon. And it came to £1.97. And again, when I say 2 meals, that's 2 meals for 2 of us, so 4 meals. So cheap as chips. Right, butter. You know we go through a lot of spreadable butter in this house, and this was on offer, and I need to tell you what the offer was, don't I? Doesn't necessarily go in the order in which you pop it into the bags. Definitely doesn't. Right, Country Life, £4.50 each. Yeah, £9. No. With your club card, £3 each. So got some Country Life. You know, I don't know why I'm bothering to tell you, but you know I love a Garibaldi biscuit. So these are going to be a taste test against Sainsbury's ones, and it'll be a blind taste test. I won't know which one's which, and we'll see which ones come out on top. They're the same price, they're the same weight, so it's a level playing field they're starting on. Said before, Steve likes a milk drink before bed, so we were out of Horlicks, so had to buy Horlicks. £3.50. I know there's lots of drinks in there, but it just seems a lot. On the Facebook page, In the Kitchen with Pen, we are doing a Greek week, and that run from Monday to the Sunday. And one of our favourite Greek dishes, so easy, Greek salad. Okay, I don't have the olives. So, Greek salad, so obviously I needed to buy some feta cheese. This is for us, but it's for me. Just sometimes I want a pizza. I'm sorry. And I don't want the hassle of cooking, you know, making the dough, etc. Now, I used to really enjoy these Pizza Express Sloppy Giuseppe. They are half price at the moment at £2.75. So we've got that. That'll do a lunch between us, or if I add some wedges and some sweet corn and some coleslaw, it's a dinner. Okay. Then I noticed, excuse me. Sorry. They had their chicken drumsticks in a bag. And I thought, oh, that's a good idea. Anyway, it goes around the corner. They've got the chicken thighs in a bag. So I've got 2 kilos of chicken thighs there. And I think they were really a silly yeah, £5.50. Now, the bag's a great idea because it's going to take up less room in your freezer. But Mr. Tesco thought would be an even better idea, yeah? Is if this bag was resealable. And then you can take out what you need, reseal it, pop it back in your freezer. So, £5.50, British chicken thighs. You can do so much with chicken thighs. You can do more with chicken thighs, in my opinion, than you can with breast, and it is a much tastier meat. Okay, then I will buy Shop's own brands, Quavers, etc, etc. But one thing no shop does well, own brand, is French fries, and these were on offer at £1.50, so French fries, thank you very much. What I went to Tesco's for, Steve is having a mushroom pasta tonight, and they usually do the packs of exotic mushrooms. Hence, did you hear? Usually. No, they didn't. So, I bought some shiitake and some more chestnut, and where was it? I bought earlier this week, we went somewhere, Lidl, and they'd got the dried porcini mushrooms that over Christmas, so we're getting rid of them. I think I paid £1.50, so I'll put some of that in there, and obviously some of the liquor after I've strained it from soaking the mushrooms, so it'll be a really mushroomy mushroom pasta. I'm having pasta too. Didn't know what I was going to do. There's a surprise, isn't it? So I thought, oh, do you know what? See this? It was down by £1 and 1 penny, £2.20 to £1.19. It is a green vegetable medley. So I thought, oh, I can make a green vegetable risotto. You've seen that on the channel before, so that's what I'm having. Steve picked up a pepper steak slice. They were on offer at £1.25. You can be surprised. No, mushrooms. San Marzano mushroom. Oh, tomatoes. San Marzano tomatoes. They just sit on the side and we eat them as and when, and I do add them to salads. I never, ever, ever put tomatoes in the fridge because they don't taste anywhere near as nice. Eat them at room temperature and the taste, they just taste like tomatoes, so don't put them in the fridge. Green pepper, well, that's needed for the Greek salad. I usually buy bags of peppers, and I don't often buy green peppers on their own because Steve's not keen. I don't sorry, any other pepper I will just eat raw. I'm not so keen on raw green pepper, but what I don't use will be frozen and it can go into dishes, so there's going to be no waste. Then, as we went into the store, they had the Nescafe Azera on offer, and the ordinary one was, I'll tell you because I'm sure this was £3.75. Well, this was down from £7.25, there you go, £3.45. So, I'm not sure that's right, but that's what I paid for it anyway. Nescafe decaffeinated Americano. I've said before, Steve's been having trouble sleeping, so he's on decaf drinks. So, there you go. Garlic and herb Philly, lovely on a cracker, on a roll. Going to use some in the sauce for both pastas. So Tesco's only had their own garlic and herb in reduced fat, and it doesn't work as well when you cook it. Quite simple. Bread is one thing that the supermarkets, they've just gone from, well, up here to down there. They're baked bread. Obviously bread's baked, but you know what I mean, not the stuff that's in packets. But today in Tesco's, the bread looked very nice. Okay, yeah, it did look good. So a farmhouse loaf. I'm going to put it out, do I? It smells nice. Even their French stick slips good to go. Because the thing is, what's happening, I'm going to be honest with you, they're underbaked. They're underbaked and they're doughy. But look at that. A nice look on the bottom, so a lovely hole. We'd finished shopping and I spotted these. And it's Christmas wrapping paper. Well, one of them I think I can get away with just wrapping paper. Now, our youngest grandchildren, Ava and Ella, love Bluey. So, Bluey wrapping paper, and just a standard wrapping paper. Now, it said 20 pence, and I thought, well, I'm getting it anyway. But it went through. Okay, yeah, it did go through at 20p. One of them went through, Rudy went through at 15p. So, you know, if you see it, get it. It'll always do for the next year. Right, now this next one was reduced to, and it was reduced to £1.25. And it's a panettone. And I've bought this because I'm pretty sure that some of you may have had a panettone for Christmas and you haven't used it. I'm going to show you a great way to use this and something else that you might have left over for Christmas. So all that, honestly, apparently I saved £21.66. I still spent £41.78. Yeah, okay, I've got the pizza's a meal. Yeah, okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 meals here, but £41.78. It's criminal. But anyway, I'm going to stop moaning and I'm going to say thank you very much for watching this edition of In the Kitchen with Pen. If you've enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and I shall see you again on the next one. Bye bye for now.